Well, I'm here at the CueScript stand here at BVE 2018. I've got Brian Larter with me. Hi, Brian.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, always great to come and see you guys. You've got an amazing set of prompters here. But what you're talking about this year at BVE is a bit different, isn't it?
Well, it's more of an education for customers. What IP is the big sort of buzzword industry, not for the last 3 years, but it's the implementation of IP. How's it work in a workflow? Are customers ready for it? What we're showing is that customers can adopt our systems now, even though they're not ready for IP, and when they are, they can slowly migrate to it.
Brilliant. So give us an idea of what you're showing here with this system, and you've got some various boxes over there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Well, again, IP is sort of in our DNA. We first identified that studios were going, whether it's controllers, displays, or anything else, on the IP route using that sort of network connectivity. So all our controllers, whether it's a desk controller, foot controller, or wireless controller, all can be connected via Ethernet. Right. Or you can go back to the basics using USB, or you can use CAN bus. Right. So it gives that customer flexibility. So if their studio's not completely wired with Ethernet yet, or Cat5, they can slowly transition when they're ready.
So looking at the camera end here, this is an IP system, but it's not dedicated. You don't just have to have IP for it. No,
and again, we won a big tender in Radio Television Malaysia, RTM, where it's a 3-year phase, but the phase they want to start with, they want to use HDSTI, okay, with a view then to go to IP. So we've delivered 24 of these systems into Radio Television Malaysia, where they're having the HDSTI with a transition to go to Ethernet, because at the moment, the cameras aren't supported by Ethernet. Yep. So they can't get the connectivity up the triax yet, but they will be. Yep. So that was a good tender, and we won it on technical merit.
So even if you're running HDSDI at the moment, but you're wanting to go Ethernet, you're not stuck with thinking, oh, I've got to wait until I'm fully Ethernet before I get one of your devices.
Absolutely, and again, that's when the generation of the video, our systems still generate composite video, still generate HDSDI and broadcast quality HDSDI as well. So again, when you've got your studio monitoring your gallery, again, you can't just say, oh, I'm IP enabled. Well, the multi-viewer isn't. Or you're not to that standard, not 2110. Okay, we can give you a HDSDI signal or composite, so you're not restricted.
And again, if you are running part Ethernet IP and you've got something, for example, a multi-view, can you still get your system onto a multi-view for somebody?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah. And again, it's true HDSDI, okay, works in PAL NTSC. So that's, again, 50 hertz or 60 hertz.
While you're there, I'm going to send you over to grab one of your little boxes. If you show us one of the boxes that allow us to do this.
So this is just an illustration of our main sort of brains of the system, which is our cube, which generates 2 SDI signals, the standard HDSDI, 2 composite videos, again. Then you have the Ethernet connectivity, and again you've got a little mini hub in there, so you can put 2 devices on there. And again, even if you want to use this on location with a laptop, just connect via USB. So your operator doesn't have to know about fixed IPs, DHCPs, anything. Just a standard coax, standard USB, plug and play. Again, runs on 12 volts. So again, used on location with batteries. It's a 1U rack mountable as well, so it can be put in the racks. Now our controllers have all the same connectivity. USB, straight into the laptop or the PC. Ethernet. We also have the CAN bus. Now CAN bus is very, very flexible. Standard, coax cable, so even if your IT department aren't around and someone can't configure a router for you, run a bit of coax out and you've got a controller working. So again, it gives that redundancy and support to customers.
And they get the flexibility to use it in any situation.
Absolutely, from day one.
Fantastic, Brian. Now, if people wanted to come and find out more about this, obviously they can see you here at BVE. If they weren't able to get here and they want to find out more, is there a website they can go to?
We have, yeah, it's CueScript.tv.
Fantastic, Brian. Thank you very much. Well, there you go. That's the amazing CueScript system. Make sure you go and check it out here at BVE. Or if you haven't been able to come and see us, well, obviously go and check out their website. For more from BVE 2018, look at our website, KITPLUS.com.